Hello. I'm getting ready to plan in my Mini, but I did just want to show you guys these pens. I had somebody ask me where I got them from. I'm kind of a big, right now they're my favorite pens. They're little fine liners, and I found them at Dollar General for like $1. There's like the purple, the green, the yellow, which is actually kind of like a light greeny yellow, green, blue, orange. This one is black ink, and this is pink ink. And they all write really good, and like I said, they were $1, and I just thought they were super pretty. So I've really been using them, and if you look real close, if you can kind of see, they got like glitter in them. So they are really super pretty. I don't know if you can see the glitter. Yeah, there you can see it a little bit. But for $1, I thought they were really cute. I like the sparkly gem. It's multicolored. Kind of, if I can show some of the light off of it. I think you get too close to light, you can't see. But they're kind of like my favorite pen right now, and for $1, you couldn't go wrong with them. Oops! And I turned the light out. So this week I'm using pink, because I like to use different colored inks in my layouts. I just do. So I'm kind of going with a springy kit. So I got the little bird in the cage and this cute little deer. They're both by the Felty Depot. And for the main part, I have this, it's an older kit. I don't think it's in her store anymore, but she has a ton of new stickers and a lot of script words and stuff I use a lot. I do PR for her. It's the Polka Dot Planner, so you may not be able to get this exact mini kit, but I'm sure you will find tons of stuff in her store you'll like. So these are just kind of some springy colors, some little clouds, and these are by the Polka Dot Planner. And my code for her is Vanessa20, saves you 20%. I have some more of the Planner Girl stickers by 3 Tiny Bows. I thought they went well, the colors went well with this kit, and I like the different things in it. My code for her is TTBVANNESSA, saves you 20% in her store. From J&J Sticker Co., I have some more of my film and edits and some pink glitter coffee cups I'm using. And the code for her is Vanessa25 to save 25%. From Brianna Nicole Designz, I have my YouTube icon. She runs tons of sales, so make sure you follow along on my Insta, which is Vanessa76, same as my name on here. And that's 2 N's and 2 S's for when her stores post. And then I have a few of these. I wanted to use the numbers. This is by Peekaboo Planning, but I like the purple numbers. I thought it would help blend in the purple of this because I wanted to use this little sampler I got. I just thought the bunnies were super cute. And, you know, like I said, there's a couple days in here that I don't do because I do all my filming on Sunday and I post my videos and stuff on Monday. So there's usually a couple days of the week that I won't have a whole lot of writing to do in this because it is a social media planner. So I thought, well, I've got all these little samplers. I'm going to start using them to fill in some of the space and just look super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to start with my numbers. I did cheat and just write one number here, 19. So I knew which day of the week to start with and didn't mess up the numbers. So we will put these pretty little numbers in here. Oh, I like the little flags too. So we'll number the days real quick. So I am super excited. The 1407 tickets for their meetup Planner Jam went on sale Friday. I got my tickets. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I did go ahead and pay the extra $5 for the little ticket add-on. You know, it's just kind of like a die cut, but it looks really cute. And the planning book, because we'll make like traveler's notebooks and stuff there. So, you know, I wanted to get one. Alright, so there's my numbers and stuff. Ooh, I do like her film camera, so I will use that too. Alright. So let's spread our kit out here and see what all we got. So I like the little half boxes. Alrighty, so I want to go, alright, I know what I'm going to do now. I want to use these pretty little todays and the longer check flags, but I'm going to write my stuff on this side. Move that out of the way. It's a little lower than what I wanted. So I'm real excited for that. I already have my friend Marty and I are going to share a room. So we've already got that. And then if you are in the Ohio area, April 14th, I am part of the committee. We are hosting a meetup called Plan It Up, April 14th. And it's not like a meetup where you go and get a lot of swag. This one is more of an all-day event. And there will be door prizes and stuff like that, but there's going to be a lot of like learning to draw for a bullet journal. I'm going to do the beaded bookmarks. So you'll get to do, it's more like kind of a hands-on class. It does run from like 10 to 6. So it will be, like I said, kind of an all-day event. But I think it's going to be really fun. So we're doing that. If you are interested, you can get tickets. It's only like $25 for the whole day. It is potluck. So just bring, join look on either the Central Ohio Planners Association, Cleveland Planners, Creative Cleveland Planners, or on the Cincinnati or Dayton sites on Facebook, and you can buy your tickets there. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've never taught a little class before. I think it'll go all right. So we'll see. But I'm kind of excited about it. I think it's going to be a really fun day. So if you decide to go, bring stuff to plan. If you have any questions or have something you want to learn, make a note, tell people. They're going to have all different kinds of stuff. Like one girl is going to do like Foxy Fix things. She's going to bring like all the different sizes so you can see, and she will talk about like the difference in sizes and stuff like that. And she really knows her stuff. And then I really like, alright, so I'm going to put some deco boxes down. It stuck a little faster than I wanted. I am very, very tired of this weather. Seems like today it's 50 and sunny. Then it's going to be cold, and then we're supposed to get more freezing rain. It's like winter is never going to end here. I need it to end. I am tired. Tired of winter. And this week, I'm going to use these little flags to mark my followers, because I think they are super cute. And I know I'm getting close to 1,000, so I need to get my stuff together and do a giveaway. I haven't done one in a while. A few little things down here I wanted to mark. All right. And I really just love the little patterns on these. Alright, so there's the main part. I think for now I might be done with that stuff. So Sunday is my film day. With film. And I really love this little pink sticker here. So I'll use that camera. And Mondays, I do edit. So put my little edits in there. A couple little pink coffees. And I'll do my little YouTube right up here. And like I said, there you can also get information on that meetup on my Instagram too, if it's something you're interested in. We'd love to have you. Like I said, it is going to be an all-day event. There'll be all kinds of stuff going on. Put the little planner here. Little stack of washi tape. Put my little tracker right here. I like to change it up. I'm working for the weekend. Little bunny watching TV. I'm going to use the weekend border, but I want to put it on sideways. Because it just changes it up some. So there's my weekend. And here's this bunny saying it's Friday. I think we'll put him down here on Wednesday. And then we've got this little bunny that looks like he's struggling. We'll put him up here because it says Monday, so we'll start him up here with Monday. Then we'll do working for the weekend on Thursday. So those were by Keep It Simple stickers. So this looks like a snazzy little drink that may or may not be strictly lemonade. So that looks like a good drink for Sunday. We'll use this other Insta because I do like to post my stuff on Insta, and I like the sticker. A couple little bows. Cute little pins. These little traveler's notebooks are so cute. And look at the little, it's even got like a little sheet of little stickers on it. but this fills in some of the days, and I still have plenty of room to write if I do have something come up, but it fills it in. It looks cute. I like that. I'm going to use this little drink, but with the straw it's just a little bit taller. And I am most definitely a planner girl. Alrighty, so I'll save these other couple planners and drinks for another layout. So, I think this is going to be my spread for the week with my cute little pink pen and my little birdie cage. And that is what it looks like. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at some of the meetups. Talk to you later. Bye.